Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Kraken Pool. First, ensure your Kraken account is fully verified to access all features, including staking. Navigate to the Earn section on the Kraken platform to explore available staking options. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies eligible for staking, each with its estimated annual yield. Choose the asset you wish to stake and proceed with the on-screen instructions to begin earning rewards. To begin, you must complete the full verification process for your Kraken account. This typically involves providing your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to upload clear images of a government-issued identification document, such as a passport or driver's license, and a recent proof of residence. Higher verification levels unlock increased deposit and withdrawal limits, which is crucial for larger staking amounts. Once your account is verified, deposit the cryptocurrency you intend to stake into your Kraken wallet. You can use various funding methods, including bank transfers or other crypto deposits. Navigate to the Earn section and select the specific asset you want to stake. Review the estimated annual percentage yield and any lockup periods. Enter the amount you wish to stake, confirm the details, and finalize your staking commitment to start earning rewards. To maximize your Kraken Pool rewards, regularly monitor the estimated annual yields for different cryptocurrencies, as these can fluctuate. Consider diversifying your staked assets to spread risk and potentially capture higher returns from various projects. Remember that staking involves some risk, including potential price volatility of the underlying asset. Always do your own research before committing funds. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.